Hi everyone, this is Katie and welcome back to another Blue Thumbs Consulting Aquaculture tutorial. In this video, we will be discussing closed systems. In the last video, we discussed the differences between open and closed systems. In open systems, the aquatic organisms are confined with natural environment. These methods can be a good solution for growing your species of choice if you're located near the natural environment. In closed systems, you construct artificial habitats like tanks or raceways to raise your aquatic organisms. Both flow-through and RAS have pros and cons when it comes to choosing which type to use. Flow-through raceway and pond systems are a common method of choice for trout farmers, but recirculating or semi-recirculating tank systems are often the choice for marine fish farmers. Flow-through systems are a good option when you have an abundance of good quality water available. If you're operating a flow-through system, you're more than likely drawing from a natural water source and then discharging back into it. The new incoming system water is usually filtered, temperature adjusted, and oxygenated before flowing into the culture tank. This water preparation process uses similar technology and filtration equipment as RAS. Flow-through systems can be the right choice if the incoming water is consistent, if you have options to properly deal with a large amount of water discharge, if your organisms can survive at a close to ambient water temperature, if you don't have an abundant or affordable electrical supply, or if you don't have the capacity for the intensive filtration needed for a RAS. The downsides to operating a flow-through system can be they require high water usage, so they may not be the best choice for farms in areas where water is costly, far away from the quality water source, or where discharge is limited. Flow-through systems cannot be operated as intensely as RAS, so more water and space are required to grow the same number of fish. Recirculating systems utilize more filtration, equipment, and energy compared to the other methods of aquaculture, but also offers a higher degree of control. Specialized components help maintain the water quality by moving waste particles or solids, using mechanical and biological filtration techniques to reduce toxic ammonia, removing harmful gases from the system, oxygenating the system, holding a desired temperature, and adjusting the pH. In addition to the water quality equipment, there are pumps to move the water, tanks to hold the discharge water, and pipes to send the water where it needs to go. All of these actions are happening at the same time and must operate in balance. Tanks are designed to have a desired volume of water moved per unit of time, also known as the flow rate. Depending on the size of the system you're operating, the units will vary. For example, you might use a range from liters per hour all the way up to metric tons per minute. RAS can be a good option for farmers because it can grow more fish in less space. They offer complete environmental control to grow aquatic organisms far from their natural habitats. They have lower water usage when compared to flow-through systems. They create concentrated waste from a point source that can be often turned into a value-added product like fertilizer or soil conditioners. The waste in our wastewater can also be used for hydroponics. Recirculating systems do have some downsides when compared to flow-through systems. It can be costly to filter concentrated wastewater. It can be difficult to find an affordable, eco-friendly way to discharge your waste. RAS also requires a lot of energy to operate. There are more moving parts in RAS, thus leaving more opportunities for mechanical failures. And maintaining good water quality requires multiple types of filtration. Stay tuned for more aquaculture tutorials, and in the next few episodes we will be discussing important factors about water quality. Maintaining good water quality is the backbone of aquaculture operations, so we will be taking a deep dive on how to achieve it. We'll discuss several common parameters of water quality and why they're so important to your system's health. We'll also be going into detail about specialized equipment used to maintain water quality and how that equipment works. With more aquaculturists in the world, there are more ideas. With more ideas come better practices. We hope by watching our videos, you too can become part of making aquaculture the way of the future and saving the planet. We will post our sources in the bio section. Best fishes!